YouTube Shorts are exploding, but what if I told you they could actually be hurting your channel? Stick around, because I'm about to expose the biggest myths no one is telling you. You've probably heard it 100 times. Post more shorts, get more views, grow your channel, and sure, shorts can bring in millions of views fast, but here's the catch. Those views don't always translate to real growth. Why? Because YouTube tracks viewer behavior. If your audience only watches shorts, the algorithm stops showing them your long videos. That's why so many creators with viral shorts can't get traction with longer content. But here's the twist. You can use shorts to grow, if you do it the right way. And in a minute, I'll show you exactly how to fix the biggest shorts mistake almost every creator makes. But first, let's talk about the myth of watch time boosts. People assume shorts increase your watch time. And yes, technically, they add minutes to your total. But watch time alone isn't what matters. What YouTube really cares about is session watch time. How long a viewer stays on the platform after watching your content. If someone watches a 15-second short and then swipes away, YouTube sees that as a low-value session. But if they go from a short into a long-form video and keep watching, that's golden. So how do you make shorts drive long-form retention? By using stacked loops. Every short should open a curiosity gap, tease a problem, but don't solve it. End with an open loop, lead into a long video where the real value is. In a second, I'll show you an exact script that makes shorts force viewers into your long videos. But first, let's talk about another huge mistake. The shorts trap. Why most creators get stuck. A lot of creators get millions of views on shorts, but zero long-form traction. That's because shorts and long videos attract different types of viewers. Shorts appeal to casual scrollers. Long-form builds real audiences. So if your shorts don't lead anywhere, they become dead-end content. Tons of views, but no real impact. Want proof? Check your analytics. If your shorts viewers aren't clicking on your long videos, YouTube isn't connecting them. The fix? Strategic storytelling. Instead of posting random shorts, make them the hook for your long content. Here's an example. Instead of saying, "Here's how to go viral on YouTube Shorts," say, "Most creators are using shorts wrong, and it's killing their growth. But there's a simple fix, and it's the opposite of what you think. Full breakdown? Watch this." That way, YouTube sees that your shorts viewers stick around for more. And that's what actually gets your channel recommended. But even if you do this right, there's one more mistake that could be destroying your growth. And it's something even the biggest creators get wrong. The real reason. YouTube pushes shorts, and why you need to be careful. YouTube isn't pushing shorts because they help you. They're doing it to compete with TikTok. That's why they prioritize fast, engaging content. But here's the issue. If shorts train your audience to expect quick dopamine hits, they'll struggle to sit through a 10-minute video. The solution? Pacing your content correctly. Your shorts should feel like a natural extension of your long-form videos. Keep the same storytelling style, pacing, and leave them wanting more. Final takeaway. The right way to use shorts. If you want shorts to actually grow your channel, follow this simple system. Use them as bait, not the meal. Always end with a loop leading into a long-form video. Match your storytelling style between shorts and long-form. Do this right, and your shorts won't just bring views, they'll build a real, engaged audience. Want to see this strategy in action? I've got examples that show exactly how to structure your shorts for long-form success. Watch it here.